Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at simple present exercises for beginners 3. So let's get started. Simple present exercises for beginners 3. Exercise 1. Link both parts to form a correct sentence. A. B. Answer number 1. I like tennis. It's letter D. I like tennis. Number 2. Rafael Nadal plays tennis. It's letter A. Rafael Nadal plays tennis. Number 3. Beyonce sings very well. It's letter E. Beyonce sings very well. Number 4. Teenagers usually like video games. It's letter B. Teenagers usually like video games. Number 5. Girls usually like shopping. Letter F. Girls usually like shopping. And number 6. The students eat at the university. Letter C. The students eat at the university. Simple present exercises for beginners 3. Exercise 2. Complete the following sentences with the verbs in the correct form. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm going to move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Nicole blank handball very well. Answer. Nicole plays handball very well. Number 2. I never blank tea. Answer. I never drink tea. Number 3. The library blank at 8 a.m. in the morning. The library opens at 8 a.m. in the morning. Number 4. It blank at 10 in the evening. It closes at 10 in the evening. Number 5. Bad driving blank many accidents. Answer. Bad driving causes many accidents. Number 6. My parents blank in a very big house. Answer. My parents live in a very big house. Number 7. The Olympic Games blank place every 4 years. Answer. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years. Number 8. They are good students. They always blank their homework. Answer. They are good students. They always do their homework. Number 9. My students blank a little Japanese. Answer. My students speak a little Japanese. And number 10, last item. I always blank early in the morning. Answer. I always wake up early in the morning. So this video ends here about simple present exercises for beginners 3.